So sitting here on this good old Friday, I figure why not do my makeup like a beauty gurus challenge, and I channel Jackie Aina, y'all. This is what I came up with, and she had the gray tone hair and all the Maybelline products. So just sit back and enjoy and vibe while I get my life to Jackie, and y'all tell me, how did I do? I have all those products, so let's go for it. Or check my yellow bonnet too. Black robe. I got this down to a T. First type of diva. But if we're doing the Jackie way, she went in with the primer. And although it's a Maybelline tutorial, she went in with the NYX Angel Veil. Because I guess this works better for mattifying her skin, which I will say works better for me too. And although I have some Maybelline primers, they don't do what she does as well as my uncle who does drag. This is something that they always do. They go in and they powder down their skin before their foundation, and we're going to do that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and I have mine in medium deep. The Fit Me foundations, I do use 330 Toffee in the Fit Me Dewy Smooth, and 355 Coconut in the matte and Portland.
Number 30 Cafe. Yeah, number 30 Cafe. Now, I do like this concealer, but sometimes it can be a little watery for my liking.
30 Cafe at the time had to been what is, I wouldn't say the darkest, but it was the most doable. So they just expanded this. I don't have any of the new shades, so we're gonna rock with what we got. In her tutorial, when I see these tutorials, I think you can alter them a little bit, you know, how you would normally do, but kind of like use some of the products or basically use their technique. So I did notice she said this one was a little lightweight, so she went in with her Color Pop. I'm going to go in with sticking with the Maybelline, the Better Skin, which I do like. This Maybelline Better Skin never steers me wrong. Next, she contoured, but she didn't contour with a Maybelline Master Bronze Kit because it was not dark enough. She whipped out her black opal, and guess what I have? I have a black opal stick in Suede Mocha. Now, I never cream contour, so this is going to be a first, so don't judge me, y'all. It's blending out good. Y'all remember this part from the video? It blends out so good. I be on my phone.
So
come do black opal.
You know what's so funny? Sometimes I be blending. I don't even be looking. I be on my phone just like this. White red. Very red.
I have the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze, which to me right now is a little too red. So I'm going to go in with the City Color Cosmetics, which is still pretty. You know that I have been in love with all of my City Mini palettes. This is the one from Makeup Sheila that we use, that Jackie used in the tutorial. So we're gonna try to follow suit. So with the fluffy blending brush, I believe she went in with this color first. So let's just go ahead on in here. And these colors are super pigmented. A light hand will do. Pencil brush in this smoky color.
You want to call it like a black, but it's smoky. And look, that's going into deepening the crease. And look how it doesn't get lost on that first shadow that we laid down.
Took the liberty. I laid down some black eyeliner. The Maybelline Tattoo Chrome, the black one, will work good for this trick as well. She used more of a pencil eyeliner, but this is what I have on hand. It's the Maybelline Precise Eyeliner. So I'm just going to put this on and develop like a, let's say like, and then I'm going to take the back of this brush and pat it on in. What this is going to do is that violet shade, we're going to wet the brush, we're going to put it on, and it's going to make it pop. Yes to the goals. Opening the inner tear duct with that bronzy color in the palette, and that's exactly what I did. Now on to these brows. This brow product, this is the Precise My Brow. She used this one as well.
The other side, is that supposed to be like a smudger?
Discover this beauty. This is the Precise Glitter Gold Liner. I'm going to attempt this. The good thing about this is I like the look, but I'm not going anywhere today, so I can risk it. So go back with a second coat too, but We don't need all that. So while my lashes are drying, because Mother Aina went in with like a larger, fluffier lash that fits her eye shape, mine on the other side is going to be a little more wispy but a little more lighter. But guess what? I have the Makeup Sheila Colossal Black as well, and I also have the Poppin' Purple. Jackie didn't use this, but I'm gonna flush a little bit in there because I love blush. I've been sleeping under a rock when this came out, but we're not gonna talk about it. We just gonna be about it. This was big all summer. All summer 17. This was big. A nice champagne gold. And last but not least, the Super Stay Matte Inks. How ironic. I had the two colors that she have, which is Believer and Voyager. But I'm going to go one step further with the Maybelline Sensational Lip Liner. Last order of business. Came back with the hair on, the white blonde, Voyager and Believer. And she put on Believer first, which I'm going to put that on. I've already lined my lips. On top with Voyager.